What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Realme X2 Pro, a smartphone that comes with 4000 mAh battery and 50 watt Super VOOC flash charging. Realme claims that the battery of Realme X2 Pro can be charged from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. So for this testing purpose, we are going to use the Realme Super VOOC flash charger and this official USB cable that comes in the retail box of the device, and we will use this another smartphone for the timer purpose. So right now the battery of Realme X2 Pro is totally zero because the device will switch off if I will try to switch it on. So let's start our test now and let's see how much time it's going to take to reach from 0% to 100% when we charge the battery of Realme X2 Pro. So let's start it. So you can see that Super VOOC logo is coming and the battery is at 1% right now. So it's 2 minutes now and the battery reached to 10%. It's super quick, as you can see here. That's really impressive. So let's switch on the device. So right now if I go to the battery setting, you can see that none of the power saving mode is on, and right now the battery percentage is 12. So it's a bit more than 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 47%. So as I said, it's pretty impressive for sure. So nearly in 11 minutes battery percentage reached from 0 to 48%, and it seems like within 30 minutes it will be charged from 0 to 100%. So it's 26 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 98%. And after 27 minutes it's reached to 99% now. And here we go. So after 27 minutes 48 seconds, or we can say 28 minutes, battery reached from 0% to 100% of Realme X2 Pro. So as you can see that the performance of 50 watt Super VOOC flash charger is even better than the official Realme claim, and it can charge the battery of the device from 0% to 100% within 30 minutes depending how much you are going to use between the charging period. But anyway, the battery charging speed of Realme X2 Pro is super impressive and crazy fast. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.